How to fix iCloud email not receiving emails. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Further, tap on the iCloud option you see there and then tap on the Mail option and then set up your iCloud email address. Next, make sure the Use in this iPhone toggle button is enabled. Once done, go back to Settings homepage and tap on the Apps option and further scroll down until you see the Mail option. Further, tap on the Mail Accounts option and then tap on the Fetch New Data option. Here, make sure the Push Toggle button is enabled, and with this, new data will be pushed to your iPhone from the server when possible. So, this is how you can fix iCloud email not receiving emails. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.